Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I am so fine. I hope you are in safe. Shall we start our new academic portion? Second term, your English. First lesson is Season's Story. In this story, we want to learn about the seasons. In each season, what are the things we are using, what are the things we want to drink, everything we will see in this season story lesson. First, we see the summer here. So, what are the words I am telling you? You must repeat again. Once again, spell it and tell it. First one is summer. In summer, where we go to spend our time, most of the people, we are going to seashore. We are playing kite, cricket, small inside indoor games, outdoor games. Or you like to play kite? Okay, yes. So first word. So before that, what and all you are doing in summer? So what drink you like to drink in summertime? Everyone like to drink tender coconut. Very good. Next up, we drink buttermilk. Then we eat watermelon. Then juice. We like everyone is like tender coconut, watermelon, everything. Very good. Very good. See the first dictation word. Some words given here. See the first dictation word is kite. Spell it K-I-T-E. Kite. Second one, sunglass. Spell the word S-U-N-G-L yes, 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 sunglass. Very good. Next word, shower. S-H-O-V-E-L. Shawl. Next one, hat. H-A-T. Hat. Very good. Everyone, you understood the dictation was. See once again that the words kite, sunglass, shawl, hat. Now see the next dictation was hut. Spell the word H-U-T. Hut. Next, tender coconut. Spell the word T-E-N-D-E-R. Tender coconut. C-O-C-O-N-U-T. Coconut. Join the words and read tender coconut. Next word, buttermilk. B-U-T-T-E-R-M-I-L-K. Buttermilk. Next one, watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Next word, juice. J-U-I-C-E. Juice. Next one, T-O-Y. Toy. Once again, shall we repeat all the dictation words? Hut, tender coconut, buttermilk, watermelon, juice, toy. Very good. Have you understood, children? Shall we go to the next simple poem? Shall we start that poem? So the poem is representing welcoming spring. Spring is also one of the season. So in the welcoming spring. So in this poem, many birds and animals are welcoming the season spring. How we know the spring season? In the spring season, the leaves all get turned green. Many flowers are blooming. They swing. This spring, we see these things. It is a spring season. So shall we read the poem? Out of the cave, out of the hole. Out of the cave, out of the hole. What is the cave? So the cave is a small living place for wild animals. Hole, the rabbit, home, home of rabbit. Came the rabbit and the foal. Once again read that sentence. Out of the cave, out of the hole, came the rabbit and the foal. Hatched from egg in the nest, the birds to join in the fest. The leaves green and flowers swing. Do you know that is spring? How they expressing that is spring season? The fowl come out from its house. Rabbit comes out of that house. The birds hatch the eggs and all comes from that nest to join for the feast. Okay, next paragraph. The bugs are back and little spiders in black. So what is the color of the spider? It is hanging in the branch. So its color is in black. Bears, rabbits and bees, near flowers, grass and trees. Just like me they hum that spring has come. Everyone is happily welcoming the spring season. Which are the animals welcoming the spring season? Bugs, little spider, bear, rabbits, bees. Everyone is joining near the flowers, grass and trees. They are singing a humming voice. They are welcoming the spring season very happily. You understood, children, the poem? It's very nice, no? Okay. Shall we see the rhyming words from the poem? See the rhyming words. What are the already? We saw the dictation words from the summer. Now we see the rhyming words from the welcoming spring. What is the first rhyming word? Hole. H-O-L-E. Hole. Hole. What is the rhyming word? Foal. Hole. Foal. Next one. Nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. What is the rhyming word for nest? Rest. R-E-S-T. Rest. Next, swing. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. What is the rhyming word for swing? Spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. See the next one. Back. B-A-C-K. Back. What is the rhyming word for back? Black. B-L-A-C-K. Black. Next rhyming word. Bees. B-E-E-S. Bees. What is the rhyming word for that? trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Next one, hum. H-U-M. Hum. What is the rhyming word for hum? Come. C-O-M-E. Come. Once again, shall we see the rhyming word? See? Yes. Whole. Whole. Fall. Very good. Rest. Rest. Swing. Spring. Back. Black. Bees. Trees. Hum. Come. Do you understood, children, the rhyming words? Shall we move to find the some question answers? See the first question. Who come out of the cave? Which animal come out of the cave? The foal come out of the cave. Very good. Say, repeat once again. Who come out of the cave? The foal come out of the cave. Very good. Next question. Who come out of the hole? Who come out of the hole? Which animal comes out of the hole? Yes, very good. The rabbit come out of the hole. Same second. The rabbit come out of the hole. Next, how do we know spring? I said, do you know how do we know the spring is came? Yes, when the leaves turn green and flowers start to swing, that it is spring. Say once again. When the leaves turn green and flowers start to swing, that it is spring. Very good. You all understood this? So, what is your homework? You thorough the dictation verse, rhyming verse, and the question answer. You memorize that poem. First 6 lines you memorize. Very good. Thank you, children.